All right, good morning, boys. What's up? It's your boy Juan back with another trade recap, back with another video. Here's how I ended up making $622 break even day on the Nasdaq today. Today is Monday, March 23rd. I made, bro, break even. Okay, guys, break even. As you guys can see, I got literally stopped at $180 per account. I mean, this qualifies as a payout, right? If these were funded, this qualifies as a payout, but it's a break even day, so not really excited about that. Guys, today was not a good day to trade for me. Okay, guys, I went long towards these internal highs and I got stopped to break even. And let me tell you, quite frankly, I am not comfortable in even going long, right? I took this setup because it was entirely my model, right? It was entirely my model, but right, like displacement, retracement, and then continuation towards the next round liquidity. I had to take it because that's how I take my model. It's very mechanical. I see it, I need to take it, but I didn't even have that much conviction on the day to take it. And I'm going to explain to you why. Guys, coming into market open, I didn't have a bias. I made sure I include this on my pre market analysis on my Discord. Okay, guys, which you guys will be able to see as well. I said be patient because I don't not have a bias. Okay, boys, if you take a look at the 1 hour time frame, what do we do pre market? Guys, we literally pump 800 points to the upside for no reason. Okay, whenever we have a large move pre-market like that, I most likely will be extra patient, extra conservative, or just honestly stay off. If I take a trade and that trade ends up being break even, and we do some bullshit like this where we rally to the upside 800 points, right? Just expect New York to be a bit choppy. Just expect that. So coming into market open, I didn't have a bias because we have a chaotic, erratic move to the upside, right? So that is going to dictate how clean New York is going to be, right? If we take a look at our session indicators, obviously I did mark out my draws. Look, New York just honestly, I mean, it's trending higher, but I am not comfortable in buying at the top like that, right? Usually, if we're trending bullish, I'm bullish on the day. But if we do something like this, where just 800 points up and we take out all of this liquidity right here, all of this buy side liquidity that you guys see here on the left, if we take all of this out, guys, right, bro, I'm not gonna be bullish. I'm simply just not going to be bullish because I am truly buying at the top. Even though I went long because my setup presented, right, it was very clear. I'm not comfortable buying here, bro. I'm not comfortable doing that. We do have London lows here. I would have loved for price to honestly done something. Again, guys, I made sure I said this on the Discord. Okay, I would have loved for price to do something like this, right? Market opens nine. Where are we? Yeah, market. We've been literally doing nothing for the past 30 minutes. Like literally, bro. Today's not a good day to trade. I would love for price to open lower here. Maybe take out this internal low right here. Take this slow and then slowly start displaying to the downside all the way down to London lows right here. Okay, I would have loved that. I would have loved that. Why? Because we're pretty much overextended, right? I know price rallied up 800 points. We're very, very bullish, right? So I would have loved that. I would have liked that. I really would have liked that. However, price did exactly this on 9:30, and I'm gonna give you guys a POV going into the replay button to show you exactly what I saw and how I ended up break even on the day. Okay, I'm gonna go at 9:30. We have been doing nothing honestly for the past 10 minutes of market open, 20 minutes of market open. So this is market open right here, boys. Display lower, chop, chop, chop. Okay, boys. I was even marking this internal low right here to see price even wanted to take it right here. I would have gladly taken it as well, right? And look, no direction, indecisive. Indecisive, guys, indecisive. This is not good PA. This is when I enter long though. Because we broke above this high right here on the 5 minute time frame. Not this high, I'm sorry. We broke above this 5 minute bearish gap. Right? We inverted that 5 minute bearish gap. That's a higher time frame inversion, right? It's not a 1 hour 15, but since I execute on the 1 minute, this 5 minute got ran through, right? So I said, okay, we did get some displacement to the upside. Again, guys, this is me completely following my model, right? I know we are overextended. I should not be trading I should not be buying at the top if we just rallied up 800 points, right? I'm aware of that, but I'm just clearly being mechanical and clearly following my edge and not being emotional and simply reacting to price. I understand we are overextended. I understand we rallied up 800 points, but fuck all that. What am I getting right now? Displacement to the upside and retracement. And if you know my model, that's exactly what I trade, right? So I have to kind of react on that. We left a 1 minute fair value gap here, 1 minute imbalance. At this displacement higher, inverted is 5 minute, push higher, retrace. So this is my model, honestly. So I had to kind of take it. What do we do, guys? Look, displace higher, invert this 5 minute, retrace. I was long towards these eight highs right here. Continuation, pretty simple, right? And I entered here. I had a 24-point stop loss. I wanted these highs. I literally even put my take profit below it. And look, break even, and then guess what? This is why I didn't re-enter this trade, because at this point I lost conviction in the trade. Not because it's a bad setup, but because we're very, very overextended. Okay, guys, we're very overextended. It's that simple. And I would have literally gotten break even again, or I would have lost money. So I pretty much avoided a loss today, guys. And yeah, that's right now we're trading here, choppy as fuck. We could potentially take out this low, but I don't really want to be here for it. I don't like when price does this. I don't like when price pumps to 800 points or 1,000 points pre-market. And this is the beauty of it. I don't have to trade today. You don't have to trade today if you don't like what you're seeing. Okay. I make sure I include this on my VIP mentorship, which, by the way, guys, I'm going to drop it tomorrow. I know I've been delaying this, but I've been putting a lot of work into this. This doesn't have to do anything with the trade recap. Just know that I dropped a lot of game for you guys, and you guys are going to be, bro, I'm gonna make so many people profitable, and I'm very excited for it. Okay, guys. Again, guys, this trade recap, pretty dog shit day. $600 in the day, break even day. This is how it happened. Long position. Follow my model. Follow my rules. I would have gone for a second trade, but I don't like this garbage PA, so I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. Protect your capital. Not every day is a trading day, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.